Good evening, sir. My name is Ana Marisi Cantora from BSOA3PL. Highlight this. We first do pivot table. So go to insert, click pivot table, new extend sheet, and just pause this create. So there is row. We will go to add categorize the columns and data and create pivot table data group into month for 3 months and the value calculate field when a formula of quantity times amount per quantity. We will highlight this and go to insert chart. We will choose point chat and then that's it. We create pivot table. So next we will short or table. So highlight this is table and go to here, create a filter, and that's it. We'll short it to the 2Z. So next we will done and sorting and filter that data and pivot table. The next is we will done filter data and pivot table. The next is we will create draft list. So there I will choose categorize, highlight this and go to insert and click drop down. Then next we will go to a checkbox. So we will just put here a table that there's some bet and not bet. Not it. Highlight this and then go to insert and look for checkbox, and that's it. So this at a choice the less than be paid and then two we not paid. And next we will go to the lookup. So I will put categorize card, maintenance, subscription, utilize, office supply, chart it. So yeah, we will look chart. We will be to the categorize. So first the formula equals by v lookup b lookup to categorize to, and then highlight this reference to 0 and choose close parenthesis, and that is chart 2.
is thank you.